आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Today's question is u vector, v vector and w vector are three non-coplanar unit vectors and alpha, beta, gamma are the angles between u vector and v vector and w vector and u vector respectively. And x, y, z are unit vectors along the bisectors of alpha, beta, gamma respectively. Then prove that scalar triple product of x cross y, y cross z and z cross x is equal to 1 upon 16 into scalar triple product of UVW whole square into sec square alpha by 2 into sec square beta by 2 into sec square gamma by 2. So we know that the scalar triple product of x cross y, y cross z and z cross x is equal to scalar triple product of x, y, z whole square. Here we have three vectors u, v, w. So an angle bisector of the angle of the vectors u and v can be taken as u vector plus v vector. Therefore, the vector x will be u vector plus v vector divided by the mod of u plus v. So finding out the mod of vector u plus v, we get mod of u vector plus v vector whole square equals to 1 plus 2 into cos alpha, which is equal to twice of 1 plus cos alpha. So this is equal to 4 into cos square alpha by 2. Therefore we get x vector equals to u vector plus v vector divided by 2 cos alpha by 2. Similarly, y vector will be equal to v vector plus w vector divided by 2 into cos beta by 2, and z vector will be equal to u vector plus w vector divided by 2 cos gamma by 2. Now if we calculate scalar triple product of x, y and z, it will be equal to, we'll get constant terms outside, so we get 1 by 8 into u plus v, v plus w and u plus w multiplied by sec alpha by 2, sec beta by 2 and sec gamma by 2. Now the scalar triple product, this part is equal to u vector, v vector, w vector plus v vector, w vector and u vector. So this will ultimately be equal to twice of u vector, v vector and w vector. So this equation becomes equal to 1 upon 4 scalar triple product of u, v and w multiplied by sec alpha by 2, sec beta by 2 and sec gamma by 2. Therefore the required value of scalar triple product of x, y, z whole square will be equal to 1 upon 16 into scalar triple product of u, v, w whole square into sec square alpha by 2 into sec square beta by 2 into sec square gamma by 2. Hence we have proved the desired result. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।